Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. I'm a certified Agent in Place specialist, a CAPS, also a master instructor, and I look forward to helping you gain your CAPS designation as well. It takes 3 days of classwork. We begin at 9 o'clock Eastern Time every day and go for about 6 hours. You take it from anywhere in the country or anywhere in the world, wherever you happen to be. Take it at home, take it in your office, take it in your car if someone else is driving, take it at the beach, but they're online classes. No special arrangements are necessary. Doesn't matter your current position, if you're between positions, if you're looking for something new, if you're employed, unemployed, that doesn't matter. What does matter is that you are looking forward to helping people remain safe and viable in their home environment. Check out my website, stevehoffacker.com, for information on registration and the classes. Again, there are 3 classes that are required, but they don't have to be taken 3 days in a row. They can be taken one this week, one next week, and so forth, or they can be split up every couple of weeks. The important thing is take your 3 classes and earn your CAPS designation. Thank you.